are you doing in here?
There were no tests ordered, and the baby has a murmur.
I know. Your surgery, you're not authorized to be in here.
Are you going to do any tests?
You should get out of here.
There's a baby up in peds. I saw him have a spell, and I think I hear a murmur.
Did P's call us for a consult?
Actually, no, they're not doing anything
So you
about
want me
it.
to what?
If you could just go up and look at him.
Not without a P's consult.
Yeah,
I'm a
but-
busy man, Gray, and there are rules.
Is he yours? Yeah, he's adorable.
You are so out of line.
She says the murmur might not be benign.
This is your career.
What's the problem?
If our baby is sick, we want him treated now.
Who authorized you being?
Are you messing with my intern, Dr. K?
No, sir.
Give me the chart.
There's nothing wrong with him, I checked.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I can guarantee that he's fine. You're 100% sure.
How sure are you?
I don't know, 75%?
Not good enough. He's my patient now. That okay with you, Dr. K?
Absolutely.
I want an EKG, chest x-ray, and an echo. I don't have all day.
You're a busy man.
I'm a busy man.
Well,
It's a birth defect.
thank you for backing me up on this.
You were right. But if you ever pull a stunt like that again, going to the parents behind a doctor's back, trying to steal a patient from another service, I will make your residency here hell on earth.